Hi friend, Marian here, your Momsy Marian. So, last Monday night, we were in North EDSA, SM North EDSA in Quezon City. So, we were in book sale. Ayan, meron tayong book sale hall. Pagka nasa SM tayo at may book sale, we cannot avoid to not be with book sale. So, ito yung hall natin. First is Praying Women by Sheila Walls. Yan, and Energizing Organization. So, we hope to use this on our work with organization, no? So, a new method for measuring employee engagement to boost profits and corporate success. Ayan, sana magamit natin sa consulting work natin. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.